right now. Don't talk about my makeup kit, y'all. Like, this kit has been backstage at Mahalia Jackson on my hip and on my arm for a good, like, 8 years. But, anywho, y'all already know. Shop my TikTok storefront and get this palette right now on sale. Creole Creations Cosmetic Eyeshadow Palette. You know it. But I just about to get started and do my makeup or whatever, because we're about to eat a seafood boil. And you know, I gotta look cute no matter what I'm doing. I need to go lay my lace down, but y'all don't don't do it. Just don't do it. But anywho, I'm about to figure out where I'm about to put this phone or whatever. But yeah, we about to just do a quick little makeup routine. YouTube, y'all like seeing my content? Y'all see the girl been working hard. I got products now. Whole ass products. Glory be to God. Thank you, God, for each and every client, each and every customer that purchase and have this product. Thank you so much. But yeah. I did a skincare routine. Skin is looking impeccable right now. I'm so upset. I wanted to go on Skin on Mars, first of all. Shout out to Skin on Mars. She, first of all, penciled me in, and I fucking overslept, and I missed my fucking appointment because I'm an asshole, and I apologize, but girl, I'm so tired. But I'm going to put her somewhere around here. Skin on Mars. Like, support the Savannah, Georgia esthetician, okay? You got to support the industry, okay? But, gave myself a little facial because I felt so bad. Like, damn. I've been talking about this for months. I have it penciled down in my journal, like, so many times. Like, but I don't know. I might just go pop up and see it because, you know, camaraderie. But, we leaving tomorrow morning. So, I don't know. What do I look like this? Would y'all still like me? Okay. But, yeah, we just about to do a quick little makeup routine. Alright, okay, so this is the Glow Recipe. Glow and Brightener. Yeah, skin prep is very important. And then I go in with my e.l.f. hydrating primer. And I really love this because it really have like a silicone like blur to it, which I like. And with these, for them to really work, you really have to like massage them into your pores so they can really fill your pores. Okay, next, we're gonna take the Dewy and Smooth by Maybelline New York in shade 355 Coconut, cause St. Per BH Cosmetics makeup bag. Traveling. Then I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Butt Overstay. And I used it before and after my makeup, so it could like really sandwich my makeup. And that's all you need. And just let it just dry. Next, I'm gonna take this. Is the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 355 Coconut, and this Smooth and Dewy, because in the summertime I do like to look a little dewy and radiant. I do like, and this is, I am so ghetto, and I'm so, this is how I do it myself. I don't do this with my clients, but this is my own makeup. This is my palette. My hand is my palette. And I did wash my hands before I even started this process. Okay, thank you. Then, just start like this. And I really just start with foundation now, because I'm not even lying. Like, I don't want this pollution in my skin. Like, this world is getting dirtier and dirtier. Like, at first, I could just wear concealer, but the concealer is not what's staying this pollution. So, whatever. And I think they talk so much shit about me. Be like, bitch, you know, so a person who loves to talk about pollution, you sure do pollute. I'm like, okay. Shit. And then this is the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in like a shade or two lighter than me. And I just put this in like the areas that I'm gonna begin to highlight eventually, but I just wanted to have like a smooth, even base. Oh. Then using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Hey, bitch. And then I know I have to get ready for you. I can't be stuck in heads and not having no fucking makeup on. We about to eat some good food, okay? And I don't know where this came from. It's funny. My sister had the same mark on her face right now, and she's pregnant, but now it's popping up on my face. I'm feeling all my sister's pregnancy pains right now, and it's fucking killing me. Oh my god. But, and I just do this little extra to conceal, because I am stress breaking out right now, y'all. Like, I want everything to be like perfect, but perfect doesn't exist. I get it, but why is it on my mind to have perfection? But anyway, go off with the back of my punch so we can have some blender and just really blend, 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 blend. And this is just so we can have a smooth base. I don't want no blotchy like base or nothing. Then I'm working on a concealer, you guys, and this is my favorite one that I love to grab. These are one they're gonna be our concealers for Creole Creations Cosmetics, but this is in the shade number 3, and it is extra bright, but I like a highlight. Like, please, I have dark circles, I wanna camouflage them even more. And this is in the shade 3. Okay, I just missed it like this. It's damp now. It's gonna bounce, 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 bounce. I have to go lay my lace after this. But yeah. Then using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Hey, bitch. And then I know I have to get ready for you. I can't be stuck in heads and not having no fucking makeup on. We about to eat some good food, okay? And I don't know where this came from. It's funny. My sister had the same mark on her face right now, and she's pregnant, but now it's popping up on my face. I'm feeling all my sister's pregnancy pains right now, and it's fucking killing me. Oh my god. But, and I just do this little extra to conceal, because I am stress breaking out right now, y'all. Like, I want everything to be like perfect, but perfect doesn't exist. I get it, but why is it on my mind to have perfection? But anyway, go off with the back of my punch so we can have some blender And just really blah, 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 blah. And this is just so we can have a smooth base. I don't want no blotchy, like, base or nothing. Then I'm working on a concealer, you guys. And this is my favorite one that I love to grab. These are one they're gonna be our concealers for Creole Creations Cosmetics, but this is in the shade number 3, and it is extra bright. But I like a highlight, like, please. I have dark circles. I wanna camouflage them even more. This is in the shade 3. Okay. I keep that out there. Just so I have like a blender, because it is a bright concealer. I don't want to look crazy, you know. With the foundation brush. And you see how instantly highlighted and brighter I look. And you want to bring it all over your eyelid, because that is tired too. Oh my goodness. Then her. And this one I got from Ulta in Buckhead. I got some Morphe banana powder. Just look, we're traveling right now and I'm running low on my powder. Actually, my first time officially really trying this. Get into the packaging. Okay, so this is the base right now. I like it. It's giving even full coverage. So now I'm just gonna start baking with the Morphe powder. And this is how you bake. You will powder it, let it give me a smooth matte finish. You see the difference between this side is matte, this side is oily. Well, not oily, but radiant and dewy. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. To make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And just do on the outskirts so we can look mattified. But then to officially start the bake so I can do my eyeshadow, you put it like this. And then you don't touch it. You don't touch it at all. And just let it sit. Dust it off and that. Okay, yes. This is what I'm gonna be using. This is my palette, you guys. If y'all want a fresh palette, order you a fresh palette. But you see how I hit pan on this pink? And look how cute. I have a heart on the back of it, like, period. Do you see this heart? It's a cute heart. Okay, but about to start with the eyeshadow. And honestly, I use this palette all over my face. And it is an eyeshadow palette, but they have some good colors in it that you can use like anywhere. Like, for real. So first, I'm gonna start with this peach color right here as my transition color. Cause you know I'm in Georgia, so I want to get the vibes. You already fucking know. Shit. I'm trying to look like new. Cause everything is new. Okay? Her. Y'all. Shop. Creole Creations Cosmetics on TikTok shop, okay, as well as Shopify. Like, we're just trying to be global, local, you know, worldwide. That's what we want for this creation. Like, I want every person that looks into my palette, like, to create their true, beautiful self. Because I know this world is ugly. I know that we all go through things. But when you put on my makeup, promise you're gonna be popping and forget about all of it. But yes, look at that highlight. Like, it's not chalky, it's not cakey, it's like gilded. It's like beautiful. So now I don't have my eyelash glue, but I have some lace glue. I don't recommend doing this, but this is me. This is myself. I'm putting my own self at risk. Shit. But I have to be authentic. I have to be true. This is what I do. This is what I use. So, like it. I love it. Hell, I'm still gonna get paid. But this is what I like to use. So, again, same lip liner or eyebrow pencil because, I don't know. I just like when my eyebrows match my lip liner. Yeah. And of course, if you want to try out some of our lip gloss kits, you are also welcome to purchase those as well. And thank you so much for your love and support. So, that's the lip liner part. So now, we're gonna put the eyelash on the best way we could without some tweezers. Let it fall. Just let it sit there. Just let it have fun. Just let it relax. It's gonna get tacky and then you could blink, roll your eyes later. But just let it lay there for a second. Promise. It's happy to be on your eyes. Oh! Yes. Then I'll lay this one down and anchor. Alright. Then, alright, y'all. So now we get ready for this mukbang and we're trying to see what we're gonna do tonight. I'm trying to see if we're gonna go to the club, we're gonna go to the art show, we're gonna keep it hood rat shit, or we're gonna be classy bitches. I don't know. But right now, confession. I'm really enjoying myself. I really love the fact that I have like some good people around me right now and everything like that, but still gotta see how this bitch food gonna taste for real though. Yeah.